a little bit bigger. It looks like a big cannon. That's what it looks like a big cannon. Like, those are cartoon cannon. What they call it? Mustard. What it, let's see. I forgot what it's called. A musket, like a big musket. That's what it is. But anyway, so this is the CCS. All right, welcome to KwhOnlyEv channel. Today I have a EVSC adapter. Actually, no, I do have a NACS adapter to review for this channel. So I actually really haven't did any review about this A2Z Typhoon version 1. I don't recall doing a review about it. Maybe a little bit that I did about this, but guess what? I got a replacement because there's a recall on this one, and this is a replacement for it. So luckily, they were able to send me a replacement after waiting for a little bit and with a lot of paperwork. And I'm going to explain to you how to do this. If you have the version 1 and you have to request for replacement for this version, which is a version 2 right here. So if this is your first time viewing the channel, subscribe and like the video. And check out my other videos for accessory review videos and also road trip videos and charging session videos. Okay, coming to DC, I had a little bit of a mishap. The Tesla supercharger didn't work because Kia and Tesla hasn't announced the opening of the Tesla network for Kia EVs. So, or any Hyundais, as far as I know. So any GMP vehicles will not work until next month, March next month, when Kia and Hyundai and Tesla make an announcement. So just letting you know that. So with all that being said, let me go ahead and open up this box and see what's the difference between the version 1 and version 2. Also, I'm going to show you on how to destroy this, because you have to destroy this version 1, even though they didn't send you any information on how to. It would have been better for them to send a return package for them to destroy this themselves. I guess maybe because it's international, they're from Canada. That's the reason why. But they have an information on how to destroy this. They will send you an email and a photo on how to destroy. So I will have to destroy this later on. So I am not keeping it. So just letting you guys know, you have to destroy this, because if you use it on your vehicle later on and your vehicle gets damaged, that is on you. So that's why they send this replacement from the recall. So you have to destroy this one. You have to destroy the pin and send it to a recycling location in your area for this to be recycled. So just letting you know that. That's what I just need to add to this. So let's go to the video on reviewing this version 2 A2Z NACS adapter. All right, welcome back. So right now I have the A2Z, the version 1. So let me go ahead and open up the box or the case. And this is what comes with the A2Z adapter. So just to let you know, when you need to destroy this, you have to use a plier to bend these pins right here, these 3 pins. You have to use a plier to bend that. So that's what you are going to do. You have to bend it for you to be able to destroy it. Okay, that's the only thing you need to do. There's nothing else on this side to destroy. So once you do that, you just take it to a recycling location in your area and go ahead and drop it there. Okay, so that's all you need to do. All right, so welcome back. So right now, this is the A2Z adapter, NACS adapter, CCS to NACS adapter. So this is Typhoon version 1. So all that was inside this was the adapter itself and the user manual right here. And you have all the information right here and the caution. And how to use it and how to store it. And there are other information in the back on how to use this adapter right here. So pretty much there's nothing else but the foam. And I like the case. The case is good. It's a really nice protective case, which is really great. I like it. So let me go ahead and open up the other box and I'll be right back. All right, welcome back. So right now I do have the A2Z version 2 adapter, the NACS CCS to NACS adapter for my 2024 Kia EV9. The box looks like, well, it was made in China, that's for sure, but it looks like something you just purchased from off Temu or AliExpress. But anyway, here's the same box. This one is a little bit bigger than the other one, so let me compare both because it's a little bit longer. So you see the size and the length. It is a little bit bigger, okay? But this one has much of a rough texture than the previous one that have like a smooth texture. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up this, and it still have the same foam protection inside of it, just a little bit bigger. It looks like a big cannon. That's what it looks like a big cannon. Like, you know, those are cartoon cannon. What they call it? Monster. What they, let's see. I forgot what it's called. A musket, like a big musket. That's what it is. But anyway, so this is the CCS combo part, the CCS1 combo part, and this is the NACS part right here. So this one doesn't have the lock mechanism this time, which is great because I struggled with that one when I was using it, trying to secure the adapter with the Tesla plug. So, but this one is really good. The only thing that you have here is the knob to release it from your vehicle while you pull it out. So that's the only thing that is in here, and it does have all the manual right here. Almost, I believe the information is right here on the specification. So this is rated at 500 amps. Rated voltage is 100 to 1000 volt DC. Conductor material is silver plated copper. Contact resistance is 5 ohms, and shell material is a UL 49-V0P866. Store temperature is 30 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius, and operation temperature is minus 40 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. Security, dual temperature sensor switch, sealant gasket, silicone rubber, locking, and dual locking mechanism is 1. And security, the vast majority of vehicle locks, charges, and adapter by the charge port. So pretty much your vehicle locks it, and the adapter won't be able to come out until you release it or the vehicle stop charging. So degree of protection is IP54 maiden and IP67 enclosing. So this comes with a 12-month warranty against manufacturer defect. Warranty does not cover misuse, mishandling, negligence, accident, or modification. So I don't know if anybody would want to modify this, but I don't mess with it. So, but yeah, pretty much all the stuff that's here, same thing as the previous one, has all the information that you needed here. So what I'm going to do right now is just wait till Tesla open up their network, and you can go ahead, and I'll go ahead and use that, or I will try to see if it will work with the Magic Dock. I will go back to the same location that I did the previous video. I know it worked when I went to the Magic Dock. That was about almost a month ago. So I'm going to try it again to see if it works. So just letting you guys know. Right now, if you use a Tesla supercharger at any of the location, you won't be able to use it because unless it's a Magic Dock, because Tesla and Kia, Hyundai, they haven't officially opened Tesla supercharger to EGMP vehicle. So just letting you know that. So stay tuned for the video on the testing of this adapter on a Tesla supercharger. Also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe and like the video, and check out my other videos on EVSCs review, accessory reviews, and also charging session reviews. Check those videos out. and I will see you with a charging session video. So stay tuned for that.